We've arrived in Cyprus. It's about the last week in March, and March is a fantastic time to be in Cyprus because it's great for migrants. It's our first evening and we've come to a place called Kremnos Dam. The dam itself is over there, but more interesting is that below it is this little pool. Well, this is one of the most famous bird watching sites in Cyprus. This is Kensington Cliffs. We're now in the Troodos Mountains. You can tell we're at altitude because it's really cold here. The attraction of the whole area are various endemic subspecies, because the coaltit, the jay, the tree creeper and the crossbills are all endemic to this region, the Cyprus race. And as you walk around these areas, it's not difficult to find them. We're now at a point overlooking Mavrokolympos Dam, and we're looking for a bird that's been eluding me all the time I've been here, but I've persevered, and after a very long time I've managed to get Cyprus pied wheatear really close, and I'm really chuffed.